This is an unboxing of the Smart Bacon Express, a new gadget that is the healthier way to cook bacon quickly and easily. Having removed the Smart Bacon Express from its packaging, it really reminds me of a toaster, especially with the dial here on the side, which allows you to adjust how crispy you want the bacon depending on its thickness. To open the Smart Bacon Express is so simple. However, during the cooking process, this will be hot, hence the cool touch handles on the Smart Bacon Express will be how you open it. You may need to use oven gloves to help push this open just in case. Here is the cooking plate where you can lay up to 6 strips of bacon. To clean the Smart Bacon Express, let the whole thing cool down before lifting out the cooking plate using the 2 tabs. To remove these 2 door plates, simply unsnap and lift out. Repeat for the other side. As such. And to replace them back in after cleaning, we start with this end here. Insert it. And then return the ends. Lastly, to return the cooking plate, holding it by the 2 tabs, it's as simple just to slot over as such. However, these 2 door plates and the cooking plate are not the only thing you will need to clean. The Smart Bacon Express comes with a drip tray, located on the other side of the dial. It catches the bacon grease during the cooking, and it's simple to remove and to return.
And that's 6. Oh. Really crispy bacon, just turn it up for the last 2 minutes.
And that was my unboxing of the Smart Bacon Express, the healthy and faster way to cook bacon to crispy perfection. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more of my previous videos, you can do so by clicking up here, and make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking down here, so you don't miss out on any future videos.